நம்ம இன்னைக்கு கோயம்புத்தூர் ப்ரூக்ஃபீல்ட்ல லொகேட் ஆயிருக்கிற ஸ்னோ ஃபேண்டசிக்கு தாங்க வந்திருக்கோம். டிக்கெட் காஸ்ட் ரொம்ப ஜாஸ்தி அப்படின்னு நிறைய பேர் இன்னும் ஸ்னோ ஃபேண்டசி விசிட் பண்ணாம இருப்பீங்க. அவங்களுக்காக தாங்க இந்த வீடியோ. இப்போ டிக்கெட் காஸ்ட் 50% உங்களுக்கு ஆஃப் தராங்க. முன்னாடி 550 இந்த டிக்கெட் இப்போ 275 தராங்க. டிசம்பர் 31 இந்த ஆஃபர் முடியுதுங்க. வரப்போற வெக்கேஷனுக்கு நீங்களும் உங்க குழந்தைங்களும் ஜாலியா என்ஜாய் பண்ண செம்மையான ஸ்பாட்டுங்க. ஆஃபரை மிஸ் பண்ணிடாதீங்க. Excuse me, where are you from?
I'm from Mumbai.
This is the first time visiting Coimbatore?
Yeah.
How do you like the place?
Very good.
Very good. You like this fantasy? You like it a lot. Okay. How about you?
Big.
Big. You like it. So, do you have the same place in Mumbai like this?
Yeah.
You have one. No, but you have one.
No, Imagica.
You can compare both. Which you like most? This one. This is a little bigger than that. So you like it. Say a hi for Instagram, please. Hi. How do you like the place? You like it a lot. Okay. How was your experience?
Very nice.
Nice. You liked it.
Very cool.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
Mumbai.
You're from Mumbai.
Yeah.
So how do you like the place?
It was very cool and I can't talk.
It's like Canada, some America, like.
Yeah.
Yeah. You like it a lot.
Yes.
Okay. Again, I will come here. You visit the place. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Hi. 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 How are you? How do you like the place?
The place is good.
Where are you from? You're from Mumbai. This is the first time you're visiting Coimbatore.
Second time.
It's the second time. Like the place?
Yeah, it's a good place.
How is Brookfield?
Brookfield is a good one.
Good point. You like it?
Yes.
Again, you'll visit the same place again.
We're coming since many days to Brookfield.
Okay. You're a student?
Yeah.
Okay. Fine. Thank you. Thank you.